Hello and welcome back. Today we're making a delicious maple cinnamon cold foam coffee that's creamy, refreshing, and full of cozy flavors. This easy homemade recipe features bold coffee topped with light, fluffy maple cinnamon cold foam for the ultimate cafe-inspired experience. It's simple to prepare, beautifully layered, and perfect for mornings, afternoons, or whenever you need an energizing treat. Ingredients: 2 shots espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, chilled 1 cup cold milk or oat milk, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, 2 tablespoons pure maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla. Extract 1 cup ice cubes, extra cinnamon for garnish directions. Start by brewing 2 shots of espresso or preparing a 1/2 cup of strong coffee. Allow it to cool completely before assembling the drink. In a tall glass, fill with ice cubes and pour in the chilled espresso. Add about 1/2 cup of cold milk and stir gently to create a smooth, refreshing coffee base. Next, prepare the cold foam. In a small bowl or frothing pitcher, combine the remaining milk, heavy cream, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and ground cinnamon. Use a handheld milk frother or whisk vigorously until the mixture becomes light, airy, and thick enough to float on top of the coffee. Carefully spoon the maple cinnamon cold foam over the iced coffee, creating a beautiful layered appearance. Sprinkle a light dusting of cinnamon over the foam for extra flavor and an elegant finish. Serve immediately without stirring for the best presentation. As you sip, the creamy maple cinnamon foam blends into the bold coffee, creating a perfectly balanced drink with sweet maple notes, warm spice, and smooth espresso flavor. It's a refreshing cafe-style beverage you'll want to make again and again. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this maple cinnamon cold foam coffee at home. If you loved this recipe, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more delicious coffee creations. Share your favorite coffee combinations in the comments, and I'll see you in the next flavorful recipe video. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.